Hello everyone, I'm Arno King and I'm in the Brisbane Botanic Gardens at Mount Cootha. Now they have a fabulous collection of plants and I'm looking at philodendrons. One of my favourite philodendrons is this one. It's Philodendron lacerum, called the toothed philodendron, and you can see how it's done really well growing up this tree. I love this philodendron because it's one of the hardiest that there are. It actually tolerates drought well. It grows thickly and lushly, and look how it's gone up this dead tree and created a pillar of foliage. Now, philodendrons make great house plants, as you know, or maybe a pot plant in a shady area. But I also like using them where we're trying to screen off maybe neighbouring properties. So you could grow it up a fence, but you might like to make your tree wider so you can blot out that view of the neighbouring house. Put a philodendron up it, and look how going from a narrow tree trunk you get a column that's about 3 meters wide. So screening on a big scale is possible with something like this. So if you're looking for philodendrons, the toothed philodendron or Philodendron lacerum is one of the toughest philodendrons going, so look out for it. Thank you.